decided to go ahead and plant these two containers today. Um, it's fall, but we still had a really nice day today. I did a lot outside. I did some maintenance, and I'm still clearing out the leaves, but you can see this entire tree still is full of leaves, and it will all fall down. So every day I'm working on it a little bit. But we are losing all the color and flowers, and so I decided to go ahead and plant these two containers. This is right in front of our door, and I know it's kind of this time of a year, and I thought, it's really nice to bring some color still. It's nice to have the color and some plants in the planters, so it doesn't feel like, it's kind of the end of the season. So anyway, I thought I should film the video for these two containers. I have two cyclamens here, one for each container, and they look very, very nice. But I also decided to go ahead and plant some tulips inside. It would be really nice in the spring for the white tulips to come up. I have primroses here, and ornamental cabbage, and I also have some pansies right here. So I will go ahead and probably divide 5 for each container, and we'll see how it goes. So for the tulips, looks like they're going to be about 45 centimeters tall. So they're good size, and I'm going to plant the tulips first. So what I'll do is, I think I might fill in just a little more dirt here. Okay. So what I'll do is, I have some bone meal here for my bulbs, so I'll just sprinkle some bone meal. Okay, and then these tulips are really nice. As you can see, I'll bring it close up. It's white, but it has a really nice kind of a green accent on the petals, so I think it would look really pretty. Kind of a nice and bright white color. So I'll go ahead and there's 15 bulbs in each one. I think I'm going to use all of them. You might want to bring it close up so they can. Oh, and when you plant the bulbs, you will always want to have the pointy side up, because that's where it actually will grow. So if you plant the other way around, it will go underground, so it will not grow. So the roots are always coming out on the thick part of it. So make sure to point the tulip bulbs in the right direction when you plant them. Okay. So at this point, I will go ahead and fill the rest of the pot with the potting soil. Okay. We'll start with one and see how it will work out. I hope I have enough for it. But I think I do. So I'm going to kind of go like that. I'm going to have this grouped together. And I have a really pretty primrose. Look at this. It's so bright and beautiful. I have a creamy, kind of a creamy white with the bright orange eyes. It looks really, really nice. Really excited. And then I have pansies here. These pansies actually are really, really pretty. It has a white pen. It's white, and it has a really nice kind of a burgundy Merlot color centers, which I think is just really pretty, and it still kind of goes really well with the colors. And so we did purchase this a while ago when we went to the garden center and I saw them. I was like, okay, we have to get this. I really, really like it. They don't have this anymore, which I was really happy I got them, but it was September, so I've been kind of taking care of them to make sure they stay okay until I can fill these containers. But it was still warm at the time when I purchased them. It was still hot for me to plant them, so I was keeping them cool because pansies don't like to be in a heat and direct sun. So anyway, they're a little leggy, but will work out. So I will go ahead and plant the daisy. I'm sorry, I will plant the pansies right here. So I have one more. Going to sprinkle some all-purpose fertilizer in here, which I forgot in the beginning, but it's okay. Okay. So there it is. We are finished with one. I'll go ahead and start the other. I really like how it's coming along, and honestly, this will last us for a while because these containers, when I put together in the fall, they go all the way toward almost early June for us. So it's really, you know, it's actually lasts for a while. So it's not a waste of money to put together these containers because it will, you know, go on for a while. We'll still enjoy it. We'll have a color, and I mean, it looks great. Pansies will start blooming and filling in, and then tulips will come out, you know, in May. So it will look really nice. It's winter time, and I know like some areas you guys can't fill in the containers because it's really cold in some areas, especially northern parts of the you know, our country. But if you have a mellower weather, always make sure to, you know, to plant some if you enjoy this kind of thing. So I'll go ahead and start the other one. So here it is. It looks really good, I think. You know, it's just this. It's just something simple. Instead of leaving it empty, it's really nice. Brings beautiful color, brightness, and it's always nice when I come out the door and I want to see something beautiful right in front of me. It's just, it makes my day. So anyway, I will go ahead and water it really well, and the tulips will find their way out. So they will find their way out. We'll see how it does. This is the first time. Okay guys, so here it is. It looks really nice. I really like how it turned out. Try to make something like this at your place, and just, you know, enjoy it. Always brings really good mood and happiness to your life. So I hope you liked this, and I hope this video inspired you. So if you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe to my videos, and I will see you next time, and have a wonderful week. Bye bye.